In this video I'm going to show you how to allow other people to share your story in messages. So what you want to do is you want to open up Instagram. Once you open up Instagram, you want to go to your profile, click on the hammer menu on the top right, settings and privacy, scroll down until you see sharing and remixes, and you want to allow post sharing to stories and allow story sharing in messages. If this is turned on, they will be able to do it. If it's not, they won't be able to do it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe saying this video helped you out. If you didn't, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you.